In terms of the benefits then, so we are talking about physical benefits, we are talking about mental benefits, of course.
Yes, there's a lot
right?
of...
So, and then of course comes the emotional benefits as well. So if you're mentally stable and things, so you would help you to also be able to focus and be there present in the moment.
See, besides the physical benefits, these are the side benefits of doing yoga.
Right.
What yoga actually does is much more. It aligns your system to its natural, brings your system to its natural alignment. And there is a lot of mental clarity. There's a sense of balance which sets in. And there's a state of stillness that you reach, so that it is so calming. And Venki, I've noticed that whatever your external situations are, largely they are a projection of your internal state, like they say. So if your internal state is in a state of balance, you are very well equipped. You are way better equipped to handle the external.
Agreed. I totally agree with that.